In this video, I'll be sharing with you the easiest and the simplest way to make yogurt parfait. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. To make your parfait, you need Greek yogurt. And this is my Greek yogurt, one of the major ingredients in making parfait. Another thing you'll be needing is fruits. I have some chopped apples, cherry, and some banana as well. I'll also be using some coconut flakes, and this is my granola. So this is the granola I'll be using. You can make your granola yourself. And I also have my Parfait cup, and this size of Parfait cup is the 500 ml that I am using. So let's start to layer our ingredients together. The first thing that will go inside your cup is your Greek yogurt. So you put your Greek yogurt first inside your cup. So once you put your Greek yogurt inside your cup, you smoothen that out. So you smoothen that out. After that, you go in with your granola. So your granola will be the next that will go in after putting your Greek yogurt. Once you put your granola, the next thing that will go in after putting your granola again is your Greek yogurt. So once you put your Greek yogurt again inside the cup, you smoothen that out. So once you smoothen that out, the next thing that you are going to put after the yogurt that is going to go in now is the fruit you are using. You can use any fruits. You can use varieties of fruits that you have. So these are the fruits that is available around. So feel free to use anything that is available around you, any fruit you find available. So after putting in your fruits, you add more Greek yogurt on top of the fruits. Then you smoothen that out again. Then you go ahead and add your granola. So the next thing that will go in after the granola is Greek yogurt. So you put the Greek yogurt on top of the granola again. So once you put this inside, you're going to go ahead and smoothen everything. And you can also clean the edges anywhere you notice that it's splashed all over, and you clean it. Then the next thing again is to top this with your fruits. Use your fruits as your toppings, and that is it. So it is so easy to make, and you have your cup of parfait ready. So that is simple, easiest way to make parfait. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same process to make the rest of the parfait. So always make sure that the first thing that you will always have in your cup is your Greek yogurt. So once you add your Greek yogurt, the next thing that will follow your Greek yogurt is your granola. Then once you add your granola, the next thing that will follow your granola is your Greek yogurt again. So another thing is your Greek yogurt. Then after adding your Greek yogurt again, the next thing that will also follow again is your fruit. Always make sure that whatsoever you are adding, the next thing that will be following anything you are adding will always be the Greek yogurt. So after adding the fruits, the Greek yogurt will be the one that you will always be putting on top of everything you are adding on top of it. I hope you understand and you get it the way I just explained it. So the Greek yogurt I use in this video, I make it by myself, and you can see how thick the Greek yogurt is. So if you want the video of this Greek yogurt, I'll drop the link of the video. I already have the video uploaded on my channel. You can go and check the video out. And if you also want to make yogurt from scratch by yourself at home, I also have the video already on my YouTube channel. So you can go and watch all those videos, so you'll be able to learn how to make your own yogurt at the comfort of your home before making your Greek yogurt. And basically that is it. And guys, this is my parfait, and this is what I have with the parfait. I hope you will be trying it. Till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.